Well, hello. I don't know if you're like me, but have you ever went to a salon and you're like, gosh, with this new gel stuff that came out, you feel like I could just do this myself, you know? So I just wanted to show that you could do it yourself. So I decided to buy something. So here's an unpacking of my UV LED little box. This is Sun UV. And then I also got this little kit to help with removing the acrylics. And then also, while I was at the salon, I took down the numbers of the colors that I use often. And I end up using TNY. Interesting. Unboxing. Look at that. Comes in a nice little wrap. And it's pink. There we go. Oh, these look like little, to help it stay. And I betcha this is the plug. Great. Hello. Okay, so I figured out what these little top things are. They just replace the color. If you don't like pink, which I don't even know you. Yeah, those just replace that. Always read instructions. But anyways, so this one's a Sun UV. Okay, so the settings seems to be 10, 60, 90. I probably should read. There's a blue thing. I think I'm okay. I bet you're supposed to remove that. We'll see. We'll see if it explodes. All right, ready to rock and roll. So I'm just going to apply the first layer. Let's do it close up. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I'm going in. All right, so don't do as I did, because now that so that's why I'm teaching you or showing you. So what you're supposed to do was apply the white one first. It was the Soak Off Gel All-in-One. This is a matching regular nail polish to it. So this is the gel and this is a matching regular nail polish, so you actually don't need to use that. You could even take it out. So this is the gel, same thing with the pink. And that's just a matching regular nail polish. You don't need it. But yeah, so this is the top coat. Seems about done. All right, so I'm back again. So, okay. So I figured out that I actually do have rubbing alcohol. So that was a little messy, but this was the right one. Pretty good for my first time. So you do 2 of this and then you do a top coat. But anyways, all right, sparkle on, have a great day, and DIY, do it yourself. You got this. It's fun, bye. Sparkle on, have a good day, bye. I think that now that I put the glitter on, I should probably put another top coat over it. I put a little bit of glitter on it. So I'm gonna put another top coat over it. Yay! Anyways, I made some bloopers. I'm not perfect at this, and I just wanted to show you that you can get stuff at this. You know, this was something that I figured, gosh, I have to go every 2 weeks, and I really do love it. Like, I do love having nice painted nails, and you know, when you do your cuticles, it really helps too. I just love the look of gel. It's really shiny. It's really much nicer. The nail polish, I have hundreds of nail polishes, and now I'm just gonna go to gel. And yeah, I hope that you are encouraged to do it too. And there's some fun tips, and I'm not a professional. I just was trying to help you, you know, realize that you can do it yourself too. All right, Much love. Sparkle on. Bye.